ang abot dito. Meron.
Dapat yung ano, dapat yung press release.
Nag-channel ka? Nagila ka.
Pwede dito, sir?
Yes po, yung Pinas.
Diba? Siya 5'8".
Hindi ko na naintindihan yung nasulat.
Pwede na sir, siguro.
Welcome to Tacloban City Tour Guide LB. Please follow niyo po. I'm Mark. Mabuhay.
Nasa registration counter siya.
It is our role as a tour operator to curate planned activities and itineraries to make sure that the guests have a great tourism experience. We take care of more final details of a tour. It must be tailor-fit to the guests' expectations, and it is even a must that we exceed these expectations. That is the culture of the people of Eastern Visayas. Then in comes the implementation. All of these are then put into action by our tour guide. The more challenging part of a tour guide's job is taking you around on a historical heritage tour. Some of you who registered early yesterday that the province of Leyte is the site of the biggest naval battle in history. I would say this is the most challenging tour that we can offer. This program will take you back in the 1940s. We take a sample is Hill 522 or Gimhangat Hill. Hill 522 served as the most scouts who was given the Philippine Legion of Honor for his efforts during World War II. Due to the extreme danger to the civilian populations posed by the planned naval
Gagawin pa po ng box. Parehas din po. Hindi pa nga. Meron po dito face.
Akala ko yung mga tayo sa
handmade, 12.4.
Okay naman. Ito, pagluwas ko din.
As part of the academy, we also have our Regional Institute for Tourism and Hospitality Management Studies, wherein we also train those who are already in the industry na gusto pa nilang mag-learn, kumbaga continuous education. We always tell them that the training or your profession does
picture lagi bang? Marvin.
President, Mr. Ganya, and his boy for meeting mabuhay to a long, happy, and productive life. And isn't that the most beautiful greeting to give to somebody that you're welcoming? Right? Kung ba'y makadiyos? Yes! And go on to the next slide. Yan. These are the actions. If you're saying yes, makadiyos ako. My is?
Show respect for all.
Number 2 is?
Sensitive to others' needs.
Friendly practices that you do whenever you go out on a tour with your tourists. Sige nga, can I hear? Lakad-lakad si Miss Belle, diba? Ayan, makabansa. Mahal po ba ninyo ang Pilipinas?
Yes.
How do you say that you love the Philippines? Right? Pag last full show or first screening.
Labi na makariw guys yun eh. Labi na makariw guys is kadako sa smile eh.
Creativity in wearing your costumes na pintado, no? Very proud kayo na I did this for this evening. Totoo po ba yan? Ang hindi is a given for Filipinos. Alright? A lot of foreigners have told me, you know what, you Filipino in the world. Oh! Bakit naman yung sarili? Dito Filipino naman kayo. Kaya sinasabi ko po sa mga whoever works in the tourism industry.
Tapos ako sa Rio Guy.
Kung ikaw hindi ka marunong umiti, huwag ka na lang magtrabaho sa tourism. Agree?
Yes.
Kasi po, hindi maganda. Right? Alam po ba ninyo yung mirror effect? Do you know the mirror effect? What you show to the person in front of you is what that person will show you as well.
Correct.
So pag humarap ka sa tao na kanite, anong isusupli sa'yo ng tao?
Smile!
Pag ikaw ay sunimangan sa tao, ipag-tao, anong ibabalik sa'yo? Bakit simangot din?
Simangot.
Labi na dyan makariw guys
Filipinos have the rare
makariw guys
gift
na.
of a
Bias nga. Smile 5K
It's
series.
a rare gift. You understand that? Hindi po lahat ng mga lahi marunong umiti. Tayo po, we are blessed with our smile.
Okay, pagkaano na pasagpa.
And so, huwag po natin pagdadabot ang ating ngiti sa ating pista, sa ating kapwa Pilipino na nagtatrabaho, no? Sa industriya, sa tourism industry. Huwag po natin ipagkakain. Kasi importante. Agree?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. And then laughter, of course, yung mga joke ninyo, di ba? Yung mga one-liners ninyo, alam na aliw ako naririnig ko. Hindi ko lang mamemorya lahat. No? But I hear your one-liners and I say, wow, these guys, no? They're something else. They are something else. And we are so happy that you are tour guides who have a sense of humor. And can use that sense of humor in dealing with others. Right? Punta na po tayo sa susunod. Next one, please.
May bayanihan.
Kayo po ba may bayanihan? Ito. Totoo?
Yeah.
All friendly competition.
Yes po.
And when we see some
Again, this is just a reminder. You are all licensed tour guides.
Awareness. If you are aware that you are looping, pabalik-balik ang nangyayari sa buhay mo, pwede mo siya. Pero si auditor, hindi yan gagawa ng report. Hindi yan gagawa ng report. Okay, tool number 2, Shake your hands and say pocket pot. Ibig sabihin nito, when the time that you jump means silence.
Okay.
So all you need to do like this after we wake up in the morning. So everybody
Comes to me with peace, joy, and glory.
Affirmation every time we wake up ako sa morning so that the whole transaction of the day with all, with ease.
Life is one big.
Sabay-sabay naman. Ulit-ulit. Ready? Begin.
Life is one big. Be thankful for who and what is in your life instead of complaining about what you don't have. Focus on gratitude. You'll start prosperity and abundance. Amen.
Pocket pot.
For you to